happy songs. The benefits of listening to them. Why it is important to listen to happy songs. Songs that make you laugh, giggle, or think of the sun, like Bob Marley's Three Little Birds, or The Sun is Shining, to Peter Tosh's Here Comes the Sun. Why is it important to listen those positive, happy songs? Well, here's why. Being happy doesn't just make us feel better. It improves our health. It helps us eat healthier. Happiness may produce a host of positive chemical changes, such as reduction in stress hormones that are good for the heart. Happiness is just as important to your overall health as what you eat and how active you are, meaning that improving your happiness levels could offer a number of benefits. Both happiness and health are tied together very closely with each other, affecting the organs. Because happiness leads to healthier behaviors, it helps stave off high blood pressure and excess body fat, resulting in lower risk of stroke and cardiovascular illness. Being elated and happy lowers the levels of stress hormone cortisol, while increasing the production endorphins and serotonin, which is also known as the happiness hormone.